Hello children, once again welcome back. So in the last video we have learned about the factors which should be kept in mind before constructing a house. And now it's time to learn that what are those things which should be kept in mind to create our house an ideal house. Like if I want my house to be an ideal house, then what are the things which I should keep in mind? So one by one we will learn about them. So let's have a look to an ideal house. So there are few factors which makes a house an ideal house. What are those factors? Number one, first comes the sunlight. Now, what does the sunlight means? It means that whenever you are constructing a house, you should always take care, you should keep in mind that your house gets a proper amount of sunlight. Many a times the houses when constructed do not receive the natural light, which is a sunlight. Instead people they make use of the artificial light, that means they glow the bulbs or the tube lights during the daytime as well. So whenever we are constructing a house, we should keep in mind that our house receives a proper amount of sunlight. Now why is this necessary that a proper amount of sunlight should be there? Firstly, that you don't have to spend money on consuming the electricity. Your electricity bill will be reduced if you get a proper sunlight. And whatever germs grow up at our homes or in your home or as well as in my home, if the sunlight reaches to that place wherever the germs are growing, then this sunlight has the capacity to kill the germs. So it is very important that this proper amount of sunlight, it reaches to our house, to each part of the house properly. Or if it is not possible that in each and every nick and corner it reaches, then at least at maximum places the sunlight should go. Then second point that comes is the ventilation. Second is the ventilation. Now what does this ventilation means? Ventilation means that properly your house is receiving air. From one side the air has a place to enter, and from the other side it has a place to go out, as here in the picture, in the images, in the pictures you all can see. So a proper house, an ideal house should have a proper should receive a proper amount of sunlight, as well as the proper ventilation should also be there, so that whatever is the stale air present in the house, the improper air can go out, and from the other end the proper air, the fresh air can get in. So a proper ventilation is also required in an ideal house. And then third point that comes is the sanitation. Third point is the sanitation. Sanitation means the drainage system that should be properly constructed. The drains, they should be properly constructed. The drains at our homes should be covered properly. It should not be left open. Plus we should make sure that all the water that is getting out from our house goes outside properly, does not stack in our house at any place. So these are the three main points which should be kept in mind whenever we want our house to be an ideal house. Besides these three things, there are few other things which you and I can do to keep my house clean, tidy, and to make it an ideal house. What are those points? Here comes the slide. Have a look. And see you in the next video with one more topic. Till then, enjoy learning.